Open PSC utu say an open who you are on a because shit the way Galamsey no or differ baby emfa because Atamils
Timo alternative here then
Atamils breso ena Galamsey no accelerate na John Mahama buy no see pickaxe ho ne ade ya wo yi ma me nkofa excavators mbra ena de no
okasa fa president was there say but not also be fair to the president.
Just like they did to us. Nyama esino, esi nothing so. Then he bears the
okay, so like not person excavators nearby, yeah. But can also be said, say, on a make excavators nearby.
Say, if he was looking for a solution, that solution is to make sure that they mine responsibly. Now the equipment, banner excavators can one. Excavator ni ehun bida. Into the numbers that he came for the first time, or no na or they buy. Me say, no quarry. I'm saying that Adia workers say they are fighting. No quarry because we saw in the thick of the campaign 2020. Tama Ekufuado said, "Say I will put my presidency on the line." Not the Tony Obins ni one painful. We NDC we in the forest near Adekache won't say. Yebe Mamwa then Amini. John Mahama voice. He into even 2024, he telling them say anybody who was arrested because of Galamsey will be given amnesty. One can. So how then do you want us to believe now? Say Obeso or fighting Galamsey.
Okay.
You put voters. Ukase Kejefo was a licensed miner. No, a licensed miner. I tell you that again. As a spirited fighter, you have given an example. Say, Omampinda de Kufuado bent the excavators of the women organizer of the NDC. And here can say the last time I miss a Asempa. Professor, NDC ni. Also, every 3 months was a task force now. Woko stop it. One say now heckle me no. One say a truth no whoa. I feel heckle me. Person make us. Me say also task force now what they won't call. So one call police Galamsey is no one stop it one. They change them every 90 days. Now what corner bar within 90 days they bought houses, they bought cars. He said it on a sister station opposite us, and this the evidence is there.
But I say,
it's where your party move. You do not believe in you put votes above
a special aid to Dr. Babia. Yankopon Chidam San of cancer.
Minia Akusia Kasani. Also, President Mahama Brusona. Excavators be busu.
This on the buy first. On Obia, you need to excavators. Now the pickers and
who said me shots and I'm in person may man no some baby. Indeed, me can't say be crab where Kufado so or no bit me I. But nipebi a one now one according to Professor from Pomboatin. And yam for being that kind. Okay. And you're ready to look at another kind. Nipa no dear Juman man as I say, share as I say, on no. Yeah. Or bet you any challenges are unyai.
Okay.
So what I say? In that end, the Rebecca say, Nasam no can yen tone chine. You do baby and I go for one casa. And no okasa ma akonta mining. Of which some of us think that Debbie, you shouldn't do it. A beer, say any of your magazine come, the grad and I'm a cancer acid. Because a beer come, could maybe home. And I say, yam provided data. A beer will be called should be home. The so near Erasmus, yeah. Me bonabasopa because they remember when they're very risky.
Sure.
Now means a money papa or kumase. What you say, yeah, illegal miners see to shell no so. Brony, I can say, so mining site. Nipa what area mohon, indigents, you know. Kakrabi na kaho. Do na ya ho wa fi baby ba. Sure. Do na ebi fi Burkina, ebi fi Cote d'Ivoire, no money that. And on aba ho. Enti se opese utu sa di su sa. I can say, me the baby hear me here. Say you bet me a sustain.
Okay. You're fighting against Nebinyano.
Absolutely. Okay. I can say, so mining site. Nipa what area mohon, indigents, you know. Kakrabi na kaho. Do na ya ho wa fi baby ba. Sure. Do na ebi fi Burkina, ebi fi Cote d'Ivoire, no money that. And on aba ho. Enti se opese utu sa di su sa. I can say, me the baby hear me here. Say you bet me a sustain.
Okay. You're fighting against Nebinyano.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Because all you are now, Jai, Nesangba,
yeah,
Kwesi Kozie na kwenti. Emfaso bi ene na ye ne so. Ene nti na mi se, senior President Mahama, shre na dwen ne style. Se mi so eno na be ya. So na mche no. Ne style a opese o employ no the fighting Galamsey na me ne wie adwen crew mu pe because one den a gold na sha asasi mu ndia ye betu. Na mom ye were responsible mining. And ye were irresponsible mining.
Okay.
Ye were illegal mining. And ye were illegal mining. Sorry, ye were legal, right?
Yeah.
Ye were illegal. It be a young farmer council. Who are license, all right. Two unsu, rakwa ability, rakwa license na Ukraine. So what you say? What ne in so. It enya ne aye kan ke. President Mahama buy no na Galamsey. Et you at said it down.
Oh, okay.
Ntina na me pese me ye ne bi.
Second and half first.
First no because Obeka say
Oba first na Galamsey two at said.
Professor Mills na come fan crazy. Oka say oko tinatiwa.
Yeah.
Bremuso.
Brems, yeah.
Not boot ma. O se ne were ho ipa.
Sure.
So I don't know president. Newmont ba Ghana. There be an American sat man from adwen ko ho. E ka ho na betu at say oko.
Newmont for no.
Yes.
Oh how?
Because akwesi we exploration.
Newmont for the count na Galamsey.
Na mention of vacancy su gina because we free no so.
Oh, serious, I think we need.
No, yeah, until I miss a man.
Newmont count na Galamsey Ghana.
Men kase waka ho. Miss Newmont ba Ghana.
Okay.
Focus waka ho different from say ba Ghana.
Okay.
We buy no explorations.
Okay.
Well, okay, here say
like baby a
gold war.
Yeah.
Ono your company kakra ko fi America aba. Open fa so kese. Into okoko na say deposit the honey kakra bia. Oja hoko.
Sure.
So what I say? Na kromafo ne hu. Into ko achem techima. No me ade a. So I know na e ma wo ngani ba sa na me so.
Okay.
So hina no sha asio. Asem na ba. Prempren nia na Akufo-Addo ne na ban ba ye. Yehui. And they so because NDC for no crowd to say MPP buy no na Bamum Penfo Shegun wa ye bia. Allegation amate ne FIA national organizer. Ora Joseph
Amen, okay.
And I am vice chairperson.
Okay.
Ora Banga.
Yeah.
Allegation actually say won ato illegal from them
tax force.
Tax force, thank you. Into one no wo bua astopo Galamsey na mo me bia enya ne na abanga ma won kwanse mutimeti o sai ku ne de
Akwasi so Baptist Church na hwe asori da ho ene nkrofo adi gala hwe be kiremo gala asori da Baptist asori da wo di convention branch ba hwe ho gala enye nsuo na ayiro eye gala omo di gala e kire ho nyina kwa asase na nyina ye gala ohwe e dan no ho asore dan no gala o Galamsey manso Akwasi so gala asore dan no ho nyina ye di gala me do kwa asore dan echi odo asore dan na church gala pa sorry da na chi nyina omo di gala Galamsey ya ba ye bi ti wa wo di gala manso Akwasi so Baptist Church enye gala no mo ye na ye mayo but asori da no na wo mo di gala maybe Galamsey abedro ye tu asori da brother say oh mercy.
Let me go to that post. 30th of January. He says, let it be on record. If anything happens to me or any members of my family, this man knows something about it. Threats that have been coming to him, even on his social media, he posted it. This is happening under John Dramani Mahama. So for us to sit here and make it look like the things that happened are peculiar.
Which man was he referring to?
Please, let me finish. You can bring your questions later.
No, I want
when
to,
she mentioned,
when she mentioned,
look, there's a habit and is predominant on this station, and with how it is the paneling is always 2 against 1. But let me land. She said that the water quality was 5,000 worse, 5,000 times worse.
Pause.
Am I going to be allowed to flow?
I think
because when she's speaking, you do not interject.
You're very unfair. You're being unfair to me.
Okay.
We are being very careful in all the analysis we're making. And what you say, just substantiate it.
I'm building my point. If you come, if you enter, I said he posted threats on his life. When did this happen? It happened on 30th of January. Who is in power? After 30th of January, who is in power? To make it look like he didn't even have the opportunity to criticize the previous government. He did.